What is the new inspection framework? Learners are at the heart of all we do at Estyn. We are evolving our practices and inspection arrangements. After consulting widely and trialling new arrangements, we have made changes to what and how we inspect in independent schools. From September 2024, we'll engage with all independent schools by conducting a core inspection and a monitoring inspection. This engagement will support ongoing improvement. Estyn will continue to engage with providers to offer Welsh Government advice relating to schools' requests for new school registrations or material changes to registrations. The core inspection will follow our latest What and How We Inspect guidance and will focus on 3 inspection areas. 1. Teaching and learning. 2. Wellbeing, care, support and guidance. 3. Leading and improving. We will continue to include a nominee and peer inspector as part of our core inspection team. The core inspection will include an evaluation of compliance with the Independent School Standards Wales Regulations, ISSR. Following the inspection, we'll publish a report which will show compliance with the Independent School Standards as well as the strengths and areas for improvement. The monitoring inspection will evaluate the school's compliance with the ISSR and progress against recommendations from the last inspection. The visit will result in feedback to leaders and a short published report which will include the school's compliance with the ISSR. The changes to the way we inspect streamlines our approach with a view to aligning our inspections and providers' internal evaluation, as well as driving improvement in the system. To learn more, please visit our website, estyn.gov.wales.